Heraklion, or Iraklio as the locals call it, is the biggest city of Crete. With its own ferry port and international airport. The city may be modernizing in great leaps and bounds, but it still preserves the precious layer of its history, from the Minoan era to the 19th century. Dominating the commercial bustle port of Heraklion is the massive Venetian fort, which you can visit. A rewarding stroll can be made around the 15th century walls, a massive fortification for their time, 5 kilometers long and up to 30 meters thick in many places. Next door is the loud and lively market, where the odors of 1,000 products and spices assail your nostrils. Sit at a table at an inexpensive but wholesome taverna in the street known as Dirty Alley. But if your tastes are more refined, Venetian Square is where the smart cafes are, flanking the 17th century Italian fountain guarded by marble lions. Shopping is a pleasure in central Heraklion, but if it's beaches you're after, there are plenty west and east of the city, which are excellent and very accessible by bus or taxi. Then, of course, there's the unbeatable Minoan Palace at Knossos, but we'll get there in more detail later on.